Guys, I'm gonna be doing the try not to get scared challenge on YouTube, and I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to smash that like button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So let me make sure you guys can see me. It's weird. Why can't I hear him? Level 2. Yeah, let's go. Come on, stupid. I feel like it's gonna jump out of nowhere. Oh God. You guys can see me. Come on. Oh God. Come on, Dre, scaring me already. Oh God, I'm getting scared. Come on, stupid. I'm waiting. Oh my God. Scary girlfriends, what? I feel like I do not need to see that. Oh my God, that's freaky. Pause. Okay guys, so I came out here to tell you what is happening, but this random cat is on my back porch. Can you take a selfie with me? I don't even know this thing. Meow. You're not coming in my house? No. You can't come in my house. I'm sorry, but oh my God, you freaking found my cat. Hawk, go. Go, Hawk. Oh God. He does not like him. Oh God. He's okay, Hawk. Hawk. Cat drama. Try to let it in, but my parents are home. Crap. Okay, which one's cuter? That one or that one? That one's mine, that one's the random cat. Come here, cat. You can't come in my house. Alright, let's go. Come on, stupid. Come on. You can beat me? Oh my God. Come on! Come on, Toby. Does it have a name tag on it? No, it doesn't. Crap. Come on. I think he wants some food. I'm gonna go inside and get him something. Alright, so I'm gonna go out there and feed him some food. I'll get him a little more. Now that he's got a whole stash of food, he looks pretty good. Might want to feed him our leftovers. Hey, you want my chicken sandwich? Here, let's see if I'll give him my chicken. I'll give him a piece of my chicken sandwich. I'll get him some bread and stuff. Ew, that's disgusting. That's some weird bread. Got him bread for my chicken sandwich. Take bread, stupid. Alright, so he's out there eating the bread. See if he'll eat some food out of my hand. Just to prove that this is not my cat, both of my cats are right here. My bird's inside. I'll show you that later in the video. Should I pet it? Yeah, I'm stupid anyways. Why not? Oh god, what time is it? I got a soccer game. Then I have a boxing match, and then I have a football game. I'm gonna get this baseball. Ready? That wasn't that far. Yeah. Oh, I was about to say, if you already ate all that food, you're fat. Come. Where do you want me to go when you're standing in the middle of... Here, I'll just step over you. So you follow me everywhere I go? Alright, I got you. Eat food. Want some food? You want some food? Here. I'm gonna leave like food piles like everywhere so I can eat. It needs to eat. It's a homeless cat. Take food. Oh god. Right. Feel bad for Scat right in here. If this homeless cat is not my best friend, tomorrow I swear I'm gonna be so mad. Might be throwing up actually. But at least it's getting food. Is that my gunshot bullet? Alright. Stay out here and eat. Come back in an hour, see if they're still here. Now that my cat's out there, let's see what they do. What the?